goals. And then, lastly, eto, ano ba sa tingin mo yung within yourself, yung kaya kang buhayin? Never take a job that's not gonna feed you and your family, like it's heartbreaking to see a lot of VAs and a lot of people na being outsourced for tasks, with other VAs na they are not being given, I wouldn't even say competitive rate, but at least sana kapantay nung makukuha sa like starting sa government, which is around like 15K, 'di ba? So at least man lang makapagbayad ka ng rent and ng food. So ayun, just so you know, there are a lot of like websites out there, a lot of customers that are still looking for their ideal VAs, and it could be you. So do not let yourself then na magpasilaw sa first offer that you get on the table. Understand why it's like easy for me to say that because I'm not in your situation, but if you ever need man na sige, ito yung kukunin kong client, ganyan, make sure na hindi super lowball yung offer to the point na it doesn't even make sense for you to be not taking care of your health, for not sleeping right to receive only this amount of pay. So anything lower than $5 is not really worth your time unless it's a brainless task. Kumbaga, pwede mong i-automate, pwede mong i-code for it to auto-populate, like simple na data entry and stuff like that. Then yeah, you can get that for under, like $5